Keeping food and drinks cold on an overland trip or camping adventure is easy enough with a portable fridge, but getting to everything inside can be a hassle. Iseco is trying to solve that problem with its new VL45 Plus, a rugged chest fridge that introduces a clever three-way access system designed to make life much easier on the road. Most portable chest fridges only open from the top, which can be frustrating when they're packed into the back of an SUV, Jeep, or pickup truck. Iseco's new design still includes its dual opening top lids, but now adds a third access point on one end. Instead of lifting the lid, you can simply fold down the end panel, allowing the storage basket to slide out toward you. That means grabbing a cold drink or snack without pulling the entire fridge out of your vehicle. This is especially useful for people who mount their fridge lengthwise near the tailgate. Traditional top-loading fridges can be difficult to reach, especially in lifted trucks or vehicles with gear stacked on top. Many campers solve that problem by buying expensive sliding mounts, and some even need slide and tilt systems that cost even more. With the VL45 Plus, much of that extra hardware may no longer be necessary. Adding another access door naturally raises questions about insulation, but Iseco says it has addressed that with vacuum-insulated panels and thick 2.8-inch insulation. The company claims this helps keep cold air inside, minimizes temperature changes when opening the fridge, and maintains efficient cooling performance. Real-world testing will ultimately show how well it performs, but the added convenience could easily outweigh a small increase in power consumption. The VL45 Plus offers a 42-liter capacity, enough space for up to 62 standard drink cans. It's also tall enough to hold upright 2-liter soda bottles and standard wine bottles. The fridge includes a tough metal exterior, sturdy spring-loaded carrying handles, built-in tie-down points, an internal LED light, and an external control panel with Bluetooth app connectivity, so you can adjust settings right from your phone. Cooling is handled by a trusted C-top compressor, with temperatures ranging from -18 to 10 degrees Celsius. Iseco also says the fridge runs quietly, producing less than 33 decibels of noise, making it suitable for campsites where peace and quiet matter. One of the most interesting optional accessories is a magnetic battery pack. It attaches securely to the side of the fridge and can keep it running for up to 8 hours under the right conditions. That makes it handy for picnics, beach trips, or situations where you want to move the fridge away from your vehicle without losing cooling power. The fridge weighs about 26 kilograms and has already attracted plenty of attention. Early buyers can choose the fridge by itself or purchase it bundled with the magnetic battery. Production is already underway, with deliveries scheduled to begin soon. Judging by the strong response so far, this could become one of the most practical portable fridges for campers, overlanders, and anyone who spends a lot of time exploring off the grid.